Neptune is a giant ball of ice and gas. It is very, very far away. In fact, Neptune is the most distant planet from the Sun in our solar system. This makes it a mysterious and fascinating world. Because Neptune is so far away, we need powerful telescopes to see it from Earth. Even then, it appears as just a small blue dot. But don't let its size fool you. Neptune is huge. It's over 4 times wider than our home planet Earth. Imagine a world where it's always cold and dark. This is Neptune, a place of extreme temperatures and fierce storms. Let's embark on a journey to learn more about this distant and intriguing planet. Our solar system is like a big family with the Sun at the center. The planets are like children orbiting around the Sun. Neptune is the 8th child, the farthest away. If we hopped on a spaceship and traveled to Neptune, it would take a very long time to get there. It's so far that a year on Neptune lasts for 165 Earth years. Can you imagine celebrating your birthday only once every 165 years? Neptune is a gas giant, like Jupiter and Saturn. This means it doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. Instead, it's a giant ball of gas with a very thick atmosphere. Let's journey deeper into space and learn how this distant blue giant was discovered. Discovering Neptune was a big moment in astronomy. Unlike other planets that were visible to the naked eye, Neptune was found using math. Astronomers noticed that Uranus, the planet just before Neptune, wasn't moving in its orbit as expected. Something was pulling on it. A young mathematician named Urbain Le Verrier calculated where this mysterious object should be. In 1846, based on Le Verrier's calculations, astronomers pointed their telescopes to the predicted spot. And there it was. A new planet. They named it Neptune, after the Roman god of the sea, because of its blue color. The discovery of Neptune showed the power of mathematics and careful observation in understanding our universe. It was a triumph for science. Section 4. Neptune up close. Blue ice giant with raging storms. Neptune is a blue planet, even bluer than Earth. This is because its atmosphere has a lot of methane gas. Methane absorbs red light from the sun and reflects blue light, giving Neptune its stunning color. Even though it's very cold on Neptune, it has incredibly strong winds. These winds whip around the planet at super fast speeds, creating giant storms. One famous storm was called the Great Dark Spot, which was as big as Earth itself. Unlike Earth, Neptune doesn't have a solid surface. If you tried to land on Neptune, you would just sink into its thick atmosphere. It's a world of gas and ice, a truly alien environment. Section 5. Fun facts. Neptune's surprises. Did you know that Neptune has rings? They're not as bright or easy to see as Saturn's rings, but they're there. Neptune's rings are made of ice and dust particles. Neptune has 14 known moons. The largest moon, Triton, is a fascinating place. It orbits Neptune in the opposite direction of Neptune's rotation, which is very unusual. Because Neptune is so far from the Sun, it receives very little sunlight. In fact, the Sun appears over 1,000 times fainter from Neptune than it does from Earth. Imagine how dim and cold it must be. Section 6. Why Neptune Matters. Even though Neptune is far away, studying it helps us understand our own solar system better. By learning about the different types of planets and their atmospheres, we gain a deeper understanding of how planets form and evolve. Neptune's extreme environment also gives scientists clues about the diversity of planets in the universe. It reminds us that our solar system is just a tiny part of a vast and mysterious cosmos. As we continue to explore space, Neptune will remain a source of wonder and inspiration, reminding us of the endless possibilities that lie beyond our own world.